Well, this type of test allows us to use a drug to see how it responds to ovarian stimulation. The clomiphene citrate is administered for 5 consecutive days, usually starting at day 5 of the menstrual cycle. The FSH levels are monitored before and after the clomiphene citrate is administered to see the effect it has had. An abnormal test result, such as a very high FSH level, would indicate a low ovarian reserve. However, this test is not widely used because it's more invasive, because you need to take the medication, and taking any medication has possible adverse effects.